An Indian expert says China's decision to achieve the goal of common prosperity is very courageous.
The goal of achieving common prosperity for all the 1.4 billion Chinese people is a audacious and a very courageous decision. There is no country in the world which has tried to achieve common prosperity for such a large population. China, as we all know, has achieved the stupendous goal of removing extreme poverty. After that, they have set the goal of achieving common prosperity, and I am fully confident that the Chinese people, the Chinese government, and the Chinese Communist Party will together achieve the goal of common prosperity.